Okay, well that wall anchor sucks. Let me go see if I have any other options here. God damn it. Well, I don't know how fucking thick this drywall is in my house, but that drywall anchor is doing nothing. Fuck. Let's see if another kind works. Hell, try this other kind, and I'll just try it a little bit above.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
Alright, these are above the boss's desk, so let's go see what she thinks. Hey boss! Yeah, the guys want to know. Ask the boss to come inspect.
I didn't know I was a boss. Looks good.
Boss. She says looks good, guys. She could be lying because she knows she's on camera. What do you think? We got 2 more to hang though, on the other side of the office. So this is my corner of the office. I got starting to set it up a little bit more. This is where I work every single day. Got 2 more to set up here. This one, that Eames chair. But you know, really, we also like displaying skateboards as art around the house. So that one's gonna go horizontally, vertically. Not sure where yet, but 2 more.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route.